Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Gemini Speaker to TV updated. Put your TV and Gemini Speaker within 3 meters and power them on. Next, open your TV audio settings, enable Bluetooth and put the speaker into pairing mode. If pairing fails, try restarting both devices, moving closer, or clearing previous Bluetooth connections. For TVs without Bluetooth, prepare an optical or aux cable and the correct adapter. Then test audio to confirm sync and enjoy. First, we'll pair via Bluetooth so you can enjoy wireless audio quickly and reliably. Make sure the speaker is in pairing mode and the TV Bluetooth scan is active, then select the Gemini device when it appears. If the TV asks for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234 or consult the speaker manual. If audio stutters, move other wireless devices away or reconnect to improve signal quality before moving on to advanced. Wired options are great when Bluetooth isn't ideal or when you want lower latency. An optical cable gives clear digital sound, while a 3.5 mm aux cable works for older TVs and simplicity. HDMI ARC provides remote control and better sync when your TV and speaker support it, while adapters can bridge mismatched ports. Always set the TV audio output to the correct port, secure cables, and run a quick playback test to confirm everything sounds right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.